The Mistakes People Make, episode 42. Can you never repeat that, please? Can you repeat that is perfectly fine. It does the job. It's okay. But how often have you heard a native English speaker say it? Never. That's how often. And anyone who says they have is a liar. Welcome to Yes It Cat, Lesson 3. Here are 3 refreshing alternatives to Can you repeat that?
Sorry?
The train is at 5:15.
Sorry?
I said the train leaves at 5:15.
Pardon?
That's serendipitous.
Pardon?
I said it's a happy accident.
Excuse me?
I love you.
Excuse me?
Nothing. I said nothing. Nigel never asks for repetition, not because he's a keen listener. He simply doesn't care what you have to say. Yes, it can, Nigel. Yes, and you. Inspiring learning.